Hi, Shanice.
No,
Where are you?
Floor.
So what if you're on the floor?
So why I must on the floor?
Cause you're a floor whore.
My God.
So I tricked Shanice and tell her that customs take away all the patty and pepper and nice things that she asked me to bring for her. And she walk around and tell the people, oh, the woman dirty. The lady will take all the things them dirty and she wicked and bag of things. So I packing up the stuff for her to put in the fridge and she stood them a while ago on the counter and she just slapped me like, Mama, you can't even see my skin red. My Anna burned me. Can't even play games. Can't even give a no. Say God no. I'm gonna look at my Anna red. It still stings. You see what you get for being nice to people?
No. You get cheesecake.
Yes. I'm gonna eat some. Listen, my life is a struggle when it comes to food. This trip is not gonna help it.
It certainly won't.
But I finally reached home. Shanice, I'm calling your home. Come show the people in my face now so they know what Shanice looks like. She's so miserable. If you wanna see her and she behaving like a bitch in this vlog, it's because she is. Say hi. So that's as good as it gets from her. It's literally gonna get no better. She's just miserable.
You're miserable.
All the time, she's just miserable. Ooh. This is some good lighting now. Ooh, catch that. Catch that. So my face is basically gone because I did my face at 3:30 in the morning and it's 11 o'clock at night now. So I think it did well. Anyways, I'm gonna pack up, get some sleep because we gotta work out tomorrow in the morning. My Anna hurt me. I'm telling about that and something, yeah? I'm not lie. It's rough. So good night and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We're late because it's me. Where are we going? Come in the frame.
We're going to TRX, but we need to hurry up.
Yes. When we come back, I'm gonna show you guys some of the decorated Halloween houses because they look cool. Those people went hard.
Them have money for you.
So we're going to a TRX class, which is like a resistance training class.
Yeah.
I don't know what TRX stands for, but it's resistance training. And
the TRX is the strap that they use.
oh.
So
Okay.
that's my name.
And if you guys know me personally, you know I struggle with eating, meaning I eat too much. So when I come here, I always overeat because I just think food is so great. And then I come back to Jamaica and I'm legit 10-15 pounds heavier. And then I hate myself because I'm too short to be fat. It don't work. So Shanice is getting me some training workout things so I can maybe gain just 8 pounds, not 15.
Why was that train here?
Are we?
Yeah.
Are we walking straight to the train station?
Yep.
You want to run?
Nope.
Okay.
We can't make. Are you saying boats?
I could be. I got Jamaican in me. I got greatness. So we late for the train because I took too long to eat. I eat really slow. So we missed the train. You cannot be this awkward in the vlog. It's not going to work. I mean, she's naturally awkward in all fairness, but not this awkward. Actually, I'm not sure anymore. Your hair looks good. Yeah, we missed the train, so we might low-key be late for class. Shocking. My nose is turning pink. It matches my shirt. My shirt. Your shirt. My shirt. On my body. My shirt. I I just finished class and my shoulders are super sore now because it was very shoulder intensive. It was hard, but it was manageable. Like, I feel like if I went in knowing what to expect, I could have gauged myself and done better, but not really. I think so. No. Shut up. Me not sure no what. But class was good. Like, I feel like if this was a part of my workout routine, like in Jamaica, like all the time, nobody could hold me back. I'd be so toned.
Like me.
No, you just maga. But I'd be toned. Like, let me show you guys Shanice. Look at her. Where's the rest of her? Like, she has on like 3 layers of clothes right now, and that's how big she looks. Look at her. Bitch is tiny. Like, we used to could like share clothes when I come here. I have to fit in her big people clothes. That's not true. You used to wear my clothes all the time.
I can still wear her clothes. She just
because they're huge. I can't wear hers because she's so tiny.
I'm not tiny.
She's microscopic. Look at her.
I'm normal by American size.
By American size. You see, brainwash. When you're in Jamaica, you don't care about size.
I'm gonna care about it now.
Says who?
Hey, there's goldfish. You want this?
Sure.
You want good vibes?
Yes, please. They have this little thing. This is good vibes. What do you do? Take it? Just take one? I just take one? Open it. It says, it's not life that matters, it's the courage that we bring to it. That's alright.
So what I keep it here?
These pictures are so pixelated. Okay guys, I think we're gonna go home now. Oh, we're going to Marshall's to get stockings. And then we're gonna get ready to go to my friend's baby shower. And I'm gonna be hosting that, so I may not be able to vlog like the entire thing.
No time to have you lurking. He may not act like you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me, you're not righteous. Nobody takes me in a crisis. I believe all of your dreams and adoration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart, all my keys for decoration. Mistaking my love, I brought to you for foundation. All that I wanted was to give you something, something that I've never had, it's something that you've never seen, it's something that you've never been. Oh.
You just look like porting in all of these vlogs. So I tried to get good lighting, but there's like sun right smacked on my face. Anyways, we're on our way to Davia's baby shower, which is my friend from high school, and she's having a little baby boy. So her husband just came and picked us up. I'm not gonna put him on the vlog because I don't think he wants to be on the vlog, and I don't know, I feel like it's an awkward conversation. Hey, do you want to be all over the internet? You know what I mean?
I never get even
You don't get choices. I make your decisions. That's fine, Shanice. So I'm not going to put him on the vlog, but we're on our way there. Well, we stopped now to collect some stuff from his family members.
Oh,
but we're in where? Oh, I don't know where that is.
It's not the best part.
I hate you. So when we get to the baby show, I'll show you guys Davia and all of this. Ooh, almost look nice. Almost, but not really. I see. So this is the best I could do with my makeup, considering that I left all of it in Jamaica. I'm still so annoyed by that. So annoyed. but it turned out much better than I thought. Well, actually, when I left the brushes, I was just like, I'm a tugs. I put on makeup with my hands all the time. Guess not. Guess not. Yeah, so that's my makeup. My contour is shit, but my highlights still popping. Hey, that's would be a cute picture. Still, I'm gonna take a still from this video. All right. So when we get there, I'll show you guys the setup. Say hi.
Hi. Oh, it's a video. Didn't realize. Hi.
So we're at Davia's baby shower now. We just finished getting ready and setting up and everything. And Kishana's makeup. She had nothing for me to work with. Can I just point that out?
Yeah, but she's Wonder Woman. So
Nothing for me to work with.
What she has. She's MacGyver.
Thank God you have good eyebrows.
Female
this is what
MacGyver.
saves your face. Too much children are here. They're so cute. Loud but cute. Come, I'm going to go to Davia now. Let's see. Hey, Boo Bear.
Are you ready?
I assume so.
Say hi, baby mother. You look sweet.
I cannot.
Thank you. Catch it away.
I feel like my eyes are crying. Am I crying?
She wearing like lashes. I'm guessing for the first time, and she's wilding out. She's like, my eyes, are they open? Cause they don't feel open.
I have two. So where's the other one?
You have two.
Two camera people. So ready? Ready for what?
Is it that video?
Yeah, it is. We need to take a photo because you look gorgeous.
Ready to start?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. You saw life sit? Aggressive. Are we?
We're gonna calm down and then we're gonna cut the cake.
So let's
Calm down. Somebody calm down.
Everybody calm down.
Okay, guys, we're gonna calm down.
Starting from 3.
Okay.
No?
Yeah,
Nothing?
go ahead. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go us.
So we're inside because she needs to
we're taking that video.
I mean, she needs to scream. I was outside serving cake and now my hands are officially numb, so I'm just trying to get warm.
Alright, all done. Safe travels.
The people are so fun. They're funny. Very nice. They're all Jamaicans too, so that's great news.
Alright.
She's a world traveler.
Yeah, I
You
realize
can hear all the power in the background. So the baby show was fun. It was cold outside, so we were
outside.
not into all the games and stuff, but everything turned out well. It was fun nonetheless.
Catch
Just going awkward up my vlogs, guys. I hope you guys, don't mind too much. But it doesn't get better than this. In all fairness,
You're true? Just come and go right now.
we're just gonna chill out here until it's time for us to go home, and then we'll sleep because we have a full day tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
A full day tomorrow. I like this song. Can I be a number? never heard it. It's actually not a Jamaican song.
They say her lip color look good.
Shanice picked my lip color so she can't stop stress how it look good. Because I was going to wear nude lips and she was like, that boring. So I wore this and she was just like, she keeps on seeing random people. I look good though. Them look good. Out of control. Everybody knows the song. I know. So I'm writing Davy as scratch, but you know, I'm just here for the baby to be cute. You like when I talk? Oh gosh. Yo, I love bellies, you know? Like pregnant bellies. This can't be real life.
Don't you look like Roger?
He does.
You wanna see my hiding face?
I'm just like, he's like, no pictures, no pictures.
Like, bitch, bye.
Exactly like Roger.
With that on.
I got David's shirt. It has a little baby peeking out. A white baby, but you know.
You have it on my head. Jesus.
If I have to show your head.
I see you can't even show
Prettiest pregnant woman you ever see. Look how she glowing over there. Sweet girl. Sweet girl.
I
Kishana.
think because of him, because of me. It's me.
Why is she a glow?
Yes.
What you
Look at
mean?
your eyes popping. They're so gorgeous.
Because my makeup artist, Chantal.
No, I can't get over this picture. I swear to Jesus. Okay.
This is how you know you're getting old. When your friends are married and having babies. And Davia is both of those friends. She's married with baby. Like she's like
both of those friends.
she's both of those friends.
The only one.
Oh god. The rest of us, well, Kishana is next closest thing, but the rest of us we're hanging on by a thread here.
He's not close. He's not close yet.
We're out here hanging on by a thread, just trying to get our life together.
Like me?
Yes, is you laughing at. Baby.
You don't even need filter.